So I wanted to update our fireplace mantle without taking away the old mantle shelf that was there. So I went ahead and painted all that black, but I still wanted the wood rustic mantle place. So I went ahead and got this handcrafted rustic from solid pine. It's a wall mounting floating fireplace shelf. It's 8 by 6 by 60. This is in the dark brown and it fits perfectly. I love exactly how it looks. It makes the room just complete, and it's exactly what I was looking for. Simple, easy to use. I actually just have it setting here. I did not adhere it yet because I like the way it looks right now. This is something that helped make the room complete, and I absolutely love it. I actually even put some little felt things on the sides and on the backs just to help keep scuff marks off the black wall. But this is something that I'm super excited about, and as you can tell, it just makes this room look fabulous. It is just the finishing touch, and I highly recommend it. Great quality, packaged well.